Hi guys, this is Franjamil from Systems Limited. Today we will learn how we can call an external .NET assembly from a business rule engine in BizTalk. So first of all we need to do is add a static support variable at the given path. First we need to open registry editor so that we can add the static support variable in it. And then we need to go to the given path so that we can add this particular variable at correct location, and this will required for calling an external assembly from business rule engine. So I have added a static support variable with value 1, and I have written a simple .NET function which will write an entry in the event log when this function is called. In case of the input yes, it will write yes, and in case of any other value it will write no in the event log. So we need to build the solution so that we can generate a DLL of this particular function, of this particular class, and after that we need to get this particular DLL so that we can access this particular class and its functions in the business rule composer. For that we need the fully qualified path of the DLL generated after build. So in the debug folder you can see the DLL is generated. Now open the command prompt, Visual Studio command prompt, and write a command get util there -i that will install this assembly in the cache, and we can afterwards we can access this assembly from the business rule composer. We need to provide the fully qualified path of this DLL to successfully cache it. As you can see, the assembly successfully cached. So now we will open business rule composer and we will use this function in the BRE business rule. So create a new policy and name it whatever you want. And add a new rule where we can use the function that we just cached. Now go to .NET classes and .NET assemblies, browse and find the assembly that you cached. It should be, if it's cached successfully, then it should be available in these assemblies. So yeah, here it is. Now I'm using the function that I have written in the condition. It's a boolean function. It will return a true or false on the basis of the input. So I have a simple schema which has only one input field, and currently the field is yes. In the input file, first of all we have to import the schema so that we can use that particular field as an input. Now we are all set to test the policy. Just save it and right click on the VN. It will give you the option to test the policy. We need to provide a sample instance of the input so that we can test the policy. So here it is. Now we can test the policy. As you can see on the top, the right operand is true and the left operand is true and the result is true. So our policy has been tested successfully. So we just need to check the event viewer, that is there any entry in the event viewer, and yes, here it is. The function is successfully called from the BRE. Thanks guys for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.